Our next category is a new category, Best Developer Dashboard. Here we praise the portals that take specific care of the logged-in developer user journey. These portals provide a dashboard that enhances the developer experience, for example, with metrics, transparent pricing, and an overview of the API keys. Kati collected for us some photos about the teams. Some of the photos you have already seen. And let's see who are the finalists. We have 4 finalists in the Best Developer Dashboard category. RingCentral Developers, Sika,
I think so.
API Portal, TomTom for Developers, and Unify ID Developer Portal. The jury's notes. RingCentral Developers includes the full spectrum of users, from non-technical to highly technical users, in quick starts and in the overall experience. Business users get a quick sense of use cases. Regarding the Sika, I hope I'm saying this right, API portal, there's a robust dashboard for the logged-in user, and its API field relationship helps a developer quickly understand the relationship among APIs and fields. TomTom's developer portal maturity level keeps growing, and they provide content that the audience can take delight in. Unify ID has a unique solution focused on true user experience. To be more precise, they take care of the portal consumer experience and of the end user experience, while focusing on the mobile users, the device users, and the app users. So, who won in 2020 the Best Developer Portal Dashboard Award?
RingCentral. Congratulations. So we'll get Mike Stowe. And I also hope that I'm saying that right. This time, Mark, I know that Mark is laughing in the background, like, haha, getting back to me for letting him say all those European names on the Resilience podcast. Mike can correct us. So Mike Stowe is Director of Developer Marketing, and he's the guy on the left on the picture.
Which left?
Yeah,
We shall see.
Our left or your left? Just waiting. And
Hello.
Hi, Mike. But I do know you. Now I know you. So I hadn't realized that you were that Mike. Okay, happy to glad that's well to have you as a winner for the awards. Is there something you would like to say to the team or to the audience, Mike?
Oh, absolutely. First, I apologize for being that Mike, but no, just on behalf of the entire RingCentral team, who I have to give a big shout out to, because they've really spent tireless hours working on our developer portal, our dashboard, all the different tools. I just want to say thank you to everyone. It's funny, when I started programming, API docs were considered WSDLs or PDFs or Word docs. Not that I'm sure nobody here has experienced that or had to inherit that and build on that. And so it's incredible to me how far we've come. And I'm just thankful, because I really feel like that's because of everyone here. So thank you for recognizing RingCentral for the the best overall dashboard, but also thank you to all the nominees, for all your tireless work and pushing the space forward. Thank you, Pronovix, the incredible team behind API Docs. To the judges, by the way, I do not envy your position. All the great submissions, and of course to the RingCentral developer community, which pushes us every day to get better and better and be better for them. So thank you again.
So, well, what do you think? Because this is a new category, so it's exciting and interesting to see where it's going to go. Do you already have any plans for 2021 for your developer dashboard?
We do have some plans. I think the biggest challenge that we're trying to solve with our dashboards is that, from a developer standpoint, you integrate with an API and you make the calls, but you don't understand things like how long the calls are taking in terms of latency. You can log the errors on your end, but we found that a lot of developers don't log the errors. So telling them which API calls they're making, which are successful, which are airing out, how many are airing out in terms of percentage-wise, and then what errors they're getting. I think we're still taking feedback from the developer community, still trying to understand what information to provide them to make sure that we're providing the right data as quickly and as accessible as possible. But yes, there'll be continuous improvements to the dashboard and to the portal overall.
And is it hard to prioritize, like, what is the most important things to give to developers, or what should be on the top and things like that, or how easy is that?
No, I think it's incredibly difficult. I mean, we're very lucky that we have a very outspoken community that tells us when they see things that they don't like or tells us their suggestions, and we appreciate that. At the same time, I mean, just being here is humbling because we're seeing the great work done by all the different teams, and we realize that we have a long way to go in improving our developer portal and continue to get better. So I think it's just prioritizing what's going to help developers improve with onboarding, what's going to get them started, what's going to make the journey better and make them successful. And so taking feedback from today, taking feedback from user studies and user testing, taking feedback from our analytics, and of course, taking feedback from our community. It will help us prioritize, but it's always a challenge, I think, for everybody.
Very good. Thank you very much. And congratulations again. Yep.
Thank you.